Welcome to One Pizza Too Many cooking and unboxing videos.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel One Pizza Too Many cooking and unboxing videos. And today it is New Year's Eve for me, and it is pretty warm for some reason. So I like to have a curry at New Year, so I thought I would bring out the Ninja Foodi, not brought it out for a video for a while, and I'd show you my take on the Ninja Foodi Biryani that comes in the book. So it's dead easy, it's dead quick, so I'm going to bring you in closer, we'll go through the ingredients and then we'll get cooking. Make sure you are staying tuned to the channel of course, and make sure you are hitting that bell for notifications of when I release new content. And while you're at it, why not head over to Ninja Foodi World Facebook page, which myself and a little team of admins run. You'll be really welcome. You can put up your Ninja Foodi or Ninja Grill, Ninja Dual Zone, air fryer recipes, pictures and what you guys have been cooking. I would love to see it. And obviously be sure to say hi in the comments and what you think of this dish. Right, let's get cracking. So right at the front here we've got 1 kilo of diced chicken breast. That's roughly 4 large chicken breasts, diced into 2 to 3 centimetre cubes. Then we have some ginger paste, we have some diced garlic, about 6 cloves, we have turmeric, black cardamon pods, you could use normal if you don't have black, star anise, some saffron, bay leaves, salt and pepper. We have 2 medium onions sliced up, we have 400 gram of basmati rice unwashed, we have 5 to 6 tablespoons of Madras curry paste, and we have 50 grams of sultanas. We've got some vegetable oil for cooking, and we have 550 ml of chicken stock. This is hot, not cold. It's really important that it is hot. And we have some crispy onions for garnishing on top, and I'll also get some coriander, fresh coriander, some mango chutney and some naan bread for serving it. First thing we are going to do is we're going to set the functions. So we're going to go around and we're going to go all the way to sear and saute, and we're going to go temperature medium to high, and we're going to press go. We're going to let that heat up, and while that heats up I'm going to add some vegetable oil. Now I've added about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil into the pot. Once this is heated up, we're then going to go in with the onions and the salt. Now the reason we're going to add the salt is it's going to draw the moisture out of the onions, and it's going to help to soften them faster. Now this has had 3 to 4 minutes now just to warm up. I'm just going to move the oil about across the bottom of the pan. I am using a rubber or silicone spoon or spatula. And straight away you'll hear a bit of a sizzle from the onions and as they hit the oil. I'm going to go in with the salt, or some of the salt at least. Stir that around, and then we're just going to let this saute for about 4 to 5 minutes. So this is now had 4 or 5 minutes, so you see the onions have softened nicely, and these will cook further when we pressure cook it as well. So next what we're going to do is I'm going to go in with the garlic, ginger, turmeric, ground cumin, saffron, garlic, bay leaves, cardamom pods, star anise. It's all going to go in. I'm just going to give this a cook round just for 30 seconds to a minute before we go in with the chicken. And the smells already off this are fantastic. Really fragrant. Okay, so now we have the chicken. It's all going to go in. I'm going to stir that around. And because we've just added cold chicken, it does take the pot temperature down a touch, so we're now going to let this cook for between 5 and 10 minutes. So you'll see this is now at another 5 minutes. You'll see the chicken sort of, most of it's gone white. It's really important at this stage to have a look at the bottom of your pot, and if you see any bits that might be catching, just give them a rub with your rubber spatula. There's normally 3 areas because of where the heat is. The last thing we want is for that dreaded add water to pop up on the screen. Right, so next I'm going to go in with the rice. Now some say wash the rice. Personally, I don't wash the rice. I like the way that it works just as it is. So a little bit there, just make sure that's there. Okay, then we're going to go in with our curry paste. This is a Madras one. Now you can make your own, or you can use shop bought. This is going to add a nice depth of flavour, and at this point, if you wanted this spicier, you could add some chilli powder or fresh chilies to the mixture. This is not going to be spicy, it's just going to be quite a warming biryani. And then finally we'll go in with the chicken stock, and I'm just going to mix this round and just make sure that all the rice is off the sides of the pot, because we want it in the water, in the stock. I'm going to give it a little mix round just to make sure there's no burnt bits on the bottom. That feels good to me. So now we're going to get the lid on, and we're going to press, well, turn the vent to seal, and what we're going to do is we're going to press function, and we're going to go up to pressure. We're going to have it on high. So then we're going to go for time. We're going to drop it to 5 minutes. I'm going to press go. That's now on the preheat cycle. Once the preheat's over, that'll take around 4 to 5 minutes. It's then going to pressure cook for 5 minutes. We're then going to let it naturally release for 10 minutes. So we're going to, so once it's finished, we're going to, it'll say warm, and then we're going to let it go on for 10 minutes. So it's just beeped and flashed to say that it's done its cycle. It's now gone into warm and it's counting upwards. So we're going to wait until it's counted upwards 10 minutes. We're then going to finish off with a quick release to just release any of the pressure. Right, so we've just ticked over the 10 minutes on the warm, so now at 10 minutes 20 seconds, and all I'm going to do is flick the vent around to release, and what we're watching for is the safety valve at the back to drop down, and then the lid is safe to take off. The vent's just dropped, so we know it's now safe to undo. So let's have a look. Unlock. Always lift the lid away from you. And wow, that looks so far really good. It smells great. So what I'm going to do now is just sprinkle over the sultanas, and I'm going to give it a stir in. Wow, that is really nice. Now if you wanted this drier than how I like it, just drop the liquid content by 100 ml, or you could leave this for another 2 to 3 minutes to do a natural release. However, this is really nice, perfect how I like it. You can see in the bottom it's not burnt, it's not stuck. So let's get some of this plated up. Now, I've been pondering how to do this for this video, and I found these really big naan breads which I really like. And what I'm going to do, I think, is we could pile a big load of it onto the naan bread like this, and then as you eat it you tear off the naan bread as you go. Then what I'm going to do with this, I'm just going to add a little bit more because I am hungry. I'm going to add some fresh coriander. Got some crispy onions, all of these crispy onions. So a load of crispy onions as well. And some mango chutney. I'll do 2 big dollops of mango chutney, 1 each side. To dip into. And there we have chicken biryani on a naan bread with mango chutney and fresh coriander. Fantastic. Let's have a taste. So there we have it, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think. Nice and easy, taking less than half an hour from start to finish. And let's have a try. So I'm going to rip some of this naan bread off. I'm going to bit of this biryani, a little bit of the mango chutney as well, a bit of that fresh coriander. Oh yeah, that is an absolute winner. Wow, and that'll taste really good tomorrow. So if you obviously make sure you chill it down correctly, get it into the fridge within 90 minutes, reheat it so it's over 75 degrees tomorrow, that'll taste even better because all those flavours have had time to sort of mingle and get to know each other. But wow, fantastic. Well, that's it for today's video. If you found the content useful, as always, make sure you are leaving me a comment and hitting that thumbs up, and I'd be really grateful if you do subscribe to the channel. Until next time, I'll see you again very soon.
One pizza too many.